Mystery drones keep buzzing U.S. Air Force bases in the United Kingdom. The unmanned aerial vehicles have been spotted multiple times over 3 bases in this last week. The mystery began back November 20th when a number of unidentified drones were spotted over RAF Lakenheath and RAF Midenhall in Suffolk, as well as over RAF Feltwell in Norfolk. The similar series of incursions was reported November 22nd and then again on the 25th. All 3 bases are leased by the U.S. Air Force. There's been no impact to the residents or infrastructure, and they have not been identified as hostile, said a spokesperson for the U.S. Air Force operations in Europe. However, they're still continuously being monitored to ensure the safety and security of the installations. It's unclear how many drones are involved, who is operating them, and why they are doing it. According to reports, around 60 British troops and counter-drone specialists have been deployed to the bases in an effort to defend against future incursions. Pentagon spokesman Major General Patrick Ryder said earlier this week that it was too soon to draw conclusions on who might be responsible for the drones. Given their coordinated nature, however, it seems unlikely to be hobbyists. This is from Sky News on Unexplained Mysteries. Well, why don't they just bring some down to figure out where they're connected to and who's behind them? It doesn't do any good just staring at them in the sky. They have to bring them down. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.